Hello, welcome to DaVince Resolve. Today I'm going to show you how to add text to your video. For example, we have this right here. So to get your text, it's a bit of a strange one because it's an effect. So you will go to your effect bar, which will be right here. You go to your titles and there's a few that you can go with. You can preview them before even adding them, and etc. So you like end title ones, you know, and etc. So it's pretty simple. You just drag and drop onto the timeline, just like so. It will actually insert into another video clip for you, you know. There is text and then there's text plus. Okay, they're both a little bit different. But there isn't much of it. So the text and the text plus, one of them has like more effects on them. You can animate them and you can do extra. So I'll work with a basic one for now. So you already learned from the previous clip how to trim. It works the same way with how to trim your text as well. So to add text, you simply just drop it on and then you type in your text just like so. So here you are. You can select your font, which is just down here. There's a big variety of them that you can choose. So you can resize it how you want it. There's this as well. I don't really touch it. Well, yeah, just like that. And this is how you add text to your videos, just like so. You can also do a bunch of things with like animations and fading in, just like so. And it fades in if you want it. Pretty simple to do that. There's more features in here, so you can add a drop shadow, just like so. So you have you select your color, so you want it black. Don't know why you wouldn't have any other color. There's the blur. You cannot see it because you don't have the offset X and Y set up yet. So you have the offset and you can see it slowly pops up, and then Y more downwards. You add the blur or you take away the blur, just like so, and how much you want it, and just like that. That's a pretty good text just for a simple thing like that. Don't have to say text, obviously. You could say, yeah, wax on or wax off. So wax on, whoop, there we go. And you just resize it, and then when he or she is actually cleaning, washing the car, that's wax on or off, I don't know. And that is how you add your text to your clips. Pretty simple. There's text plus and then there's text as just the standard text. They both do almost similar things. One of them has more extra features to do that. You can also do some resizing. I don't know if I need to add all this to it, but there's a title where you edit the actual thing of it and how big you want it and etc. And then there's like settings where you can transform and crop how you want it to be, like so. And if you want to move it without using these little features, you can just press this button and you can move it where you want to move it. Pretty simple. It doesn't snap yet. I don't know why. That's still a working thing. But yeah, if you want to be doing animation, you'd be probably using this, something like that. So for example, it's like this, and then you select your keyframe. You set 5 keyframes using the frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just move it to like here, and you've got yourself an animation of it. So it'll just pop up slowly like that. So yeah, that's how you add text to your clips. Thank you for watching.